Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to talk about a new application that just got released for Android TV and FireStick. This application has lots of features, including a feature just like the Unlinked application, where we're able to type in codes and join libraries to get applications that we can sideload to our Android TV. So as I say, this is a new application, and at the end of this video I'm going to be deciding if this application is better than the Unlinked application or not. So please watch the video right up to the end if you're an Android TV lover, and if you find it helpful, you could do us a favor, like, subscribe and share, so that we'll be able to create more videos like this. So that's it, let's get started. So what I'm showing you should work on Android TV, Android TV box, or Google TV, or any TV device that runs on an Android operating system. So the application in question is this new application launched by one of our top YouTube TV creators, Doc Squiffy, and the application is the FireSend application. So FireSend is a newly released application that has features like Unlinked, and also this application allows you to send files or share files between your mobile phone and your Android TV or Fire TV device. For this video, we are just focusing on Android TV since I'm not using the Fire Stick at the moment. So we're going to navigate or explore the FireSend application, look at some of its features, and then we are going to conclude if the FireSend application is better than the Unlinked application, for those of us who have been using Unlinked for years now. So how do we get the FireSend application to our Android TV? So there are two ways. There's a long way and there's a short way. I'm going to start with the shorter way, and then I'll show you I'm going to start with the longer way, and then I'll show you the shorter way. The longer way is for you to go back to the download application, and before you get a download application, you need to install it to your Android TV. It's very simple. Go back to your browser, search for it, and you're going to get a result to install the application to your Android TV. So you go back here and search downloader, just click on download application, and you're going to get results. You'll be asked to log into your full account if it's your first time. So on your Google Play web version, you're going to see the install button to the download application. Now it is very simple to install downloader using this method, and this should work on any Android TV box or Google TV. So as you see, I already have it installed, so all I have to do is just go ahead and open it. So once you open it, you have to type in a code to install the FireSend application. So the code in this case is, now as I say, this is a longer method. I could use the shorter method, but I want to show you two of this method so that I want to choose which one works better for you if the other one doesn't work. So 9801094, this is the code to install the application. 9801094. So on the typing that, you can go ahead and launch, and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV. So this is going to be direct, and then you download and install it to your Android TV without any issues. So as I explained earlier, this is the longer method. So let me show you the shorter method. You can install the application from here to your Android TV. So the shorter method is simple. This one is quite long because you need to use downloader, and I would prefer you use it only on Fire TV. But anyway, the application is downloaded. Let me show you the shorter method. The shorter method is just for you to go back to your browser and install it just the same way that we installed the download application. So you go over here, and on the search box, you're going to type in FireSend. That's a shorter method. You type in FireSend on your browser, and you're going to see an option that's going to lead you to the Google Play or Google Play Store. What am I typing? FireSend. That's what I'm supposed to type. FireSend app. Here's it. So this, you are going to see an option that leads you to Google Play Store, just like the download application, and then you can be able to install the application from here. Since I already have the application installed, I can just go ahead and open it from here on my Android TV, and this is how it's going to look like. So as I said, this is a newly released application, and I believe the creator, Doc Squiffy, is still working on it and updating some features of it, but so far it's working very well. And what you can do on this application is that you can create rooms instead of, here we have rooms instead of libraries like in Unlinked. In Unlinked we have rooms, sorry, in Unlinked we have libraries, here we have rooms. And what the room does is that you can join a room, you can create a room or whatever you want. So you can create a room, upload applications, and you share the room code to someone. But there are other features like you can search the URL, we can put in a downloader code here, and it's going to work. So this application has lots of features compared to the Unlinked application. So if you have a downloader code, you can put in the downloader code here, and it's going to do exactly what it was supposed to do on the download application. If you have a URL or a link, you can type in the link here, and it's definitely going to do literally the same thing like any other browser. So this one thing that this application also has. Now it has some few quick access. There is YouTube, there is Google, Netflix, Amazon, Reddit, APK Mirror, and so these are some quick access links that you can access. I just click on any support. You want to go to Google, can you click here, and you're going to come over to Google. So this works like a browser, but then you have to sign in, you can return back. Also, let's go back to where we were. Yeah, you can put in a downloader code here. You can try that out. So that board here, you can you can create your room. If you want to create a room, it's simple. So for instance, you can support FireSend if you like the app. You want to support the creator, you can go over there. So you go over to rooms over here. You can join the room by typing in the code and so on. If you have the code of the room and want to join, but now there is an option here. I think there's an option for browsing suggested rooms. So for instance, you can create an account, or you need to create an account. It's very simple. Just add your email address and your password, and then you are good to go. You can spend daily weeks after you created an account. You can browse through other things. So there's guides on how to install it, because you have to enable unknown sources on your Android TV. That depends on your Android TV or FireStick device. That's very important for most. My Android TV already allows me to install applications from unknown sources, so I don't need to grant that permission again. So there's something that the creator needs to work on is the exit button. As you see, I'm clicking the exit button and it's not working, and I believe that's something that might be updated in the next update of the application. So that's what it is. So now I have to return and start all over. So as I see, this is a newly created application, and I believe the creator of the application is still working on it. So some features like that, like for instance, let me go here, cancel. I want to return home, it's no longer returning home, and that's already a bug that I've discovered on the site. Anyway, that's just it. So that I believe that with time the application is going to get better and better. But so far, compared to Unlinked, I'll say the application is better than Unlinked in one situation, because the Unlinked application is just centered on libraries or rooms, as we refer to them here. But this application has more functions than just libraries and so on. So this application has options to browse, options to type in downloader codes, and also join. You can just browse through to join suggested rooms if you want. But anyway, as I said, it's still updated now. It is stuck here, and I cannot go back. I've tried to close the application, it's no longer returning. So I just have to stop the video here, and that's a bug, and can avoid getting to where I am. But I believe DuckScript is going to solve or update the application with problems like this. Anyway, that's about this video. This application is far better than Only, not because of the libraries, but because it offers more features or more options than the Only application. So if you found the video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be able to create more videos like this. If you have a question, let me also know in the comment section.